a Chinese noodle stir-fry with ground beef and a delicious Asian sauce. Quick and easy and addicting. These are the packaged Chinese noodles that I am using, and you can find them at most stores. They are a very fine noodle like ramen. Package instructions are to boil and cook the noodles for 3 minutes and then rinse in cold water. And now for the delicious Asian sauce. I'm starting with 1/3 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark mushroom sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, and to balance, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of chili garlic sauce for a little heat, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, giving everything a good mix and setting to the side. In my skillet on medium-high heat, I'm browning and chopping 1 pound of ground beef. I'm cooking the beef first because I may have to drain off some fat. Even though the package states 85/15, there still seems to be a good bit of fat in the meat. Once the ground beef is no longer pink, I'm adding in 1 small finely diced onion, 1 large julienne carrot, or about 1/2 cup, and 1 tablespoon each of minced garlic and ginger, cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. You can add any vegetables that you like. You could add some celery, zucchini, or some mushrooms. I have 5 garden onions that I chopped the whites, and I'm going to add the greens later. And about 1/2 cup of julienne red bell peppers for some flavor and color, cooking and stirring for another couple minutes. This is looking and smelling really good. And now I'm pouring over my sauce and adding in the green onions, giving everything a good stir to get coated in that delicious Asian sauce. I'm adding in about 2/3 of the package of cooked noodles. You can add the amount that you like, giving the noodles a good toss. Just take your time and it will all come together in a couple minutes, and this will be time for the noodles to heat through and get coated with that delicious sauce. We are ready to eat. This Chinese stir-fry beef noodles is one big plate of goodness, full of flavor and textures and very satisfying. Garnishing with some chopped green onions, and you can also garnish with a sprinkling of sesame seeds. I hope you give this Chinese beef noodle stir-fry a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!